mascara on. I don't usually wear makeup whatsoever. However, I haven't been wearing eyelashes, and I'm letting my lashes grow out. So as you can see, they're pretty kind of nice and lengthy now, where all I would need to do is put mascara on. And that's what this video is going to be about today, how I apply my mascara, and probably I might do a little eyeliner as well. My skin is pretty fair and nice, and I like it, and I love myself enough that I don't use makeup as a daily routine or regimen. So I will start first with a clean eyelash curler, and I will curl my lashes. So you see my lashes in there, and I'm just going to curl it. I'm going to curl this side as well, if I can get my lashes. And I don't think they're in there on this one. And they are now. And I'm just going to curl them. Okay. Now that the curling is done, I am going to start with an inward motion for my mascara. Today I am using y'all can see it's the MAC Extended Play Perm Me Up Lash. I don't know why I say perm me up, but they're pretty decent and I like them. So I'm going to start with upward motions. I don't know if it's y'all or just me, but it's like I can't apply it without holding my corner open. And that's just about what I do. Boom. More of a dramatic look I may go in again, but I'm learning to go downwards. So I go downwards and curl out. Downward, curl out. Downward, curl out. Then I go back up and mesmerize it. And I do the same thing on the other side. So this is just for my little run out, go in the store look, and I'll do it the exact same thing. Do you know that you have a purpose in life? That your uniqueness contributes to the way that this world runs. So whatever that uniqueness that you have, you need to allow it to manifest. And I'm satisfied with that. So what I am going to do is do my bottom lash. A little 1-2. Do the other side. A little 1-2. And my look is complete. Just some mascara because I choose not to wear lashes. I want my lashes to go out. Yeah. I have MAC lip gloss. I'm really a plain Jane. And I'm going to throw on some matte lip gloss. And that's it. Like, that's it. I need to clean it up. And that I will do. If I want, I do have MAC eyeliner. And I will just go in my corners. I will do this corner, that corner, and bring the whole bottom around. It just does that. And that's pretty much it that I do to my eye. I might open up this one and go up top. And my eyes are complete. And I'll go on about my day. I don't touch my eyebrows. If I do, it's because I'm bored. So I just sip my water. Okay, you wake up, you drink water. That's what you do. I like coffee, but I'm drinking my water. I have some cleaning up to do, but I need my lashes to dry before I clean them up. So once they dry completely, I will indeed go in with my Q-tip. And clean them up. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like this video if you guys are interested in liking it. However, do subscribe. And I will have more videos of just my regular everyday routine regimen for my face, skincare, which I don't do much to my face as far as cleaning it. I am a little ashy. I see it when I put the MAC lip gloss on. However, I do have vitamin E oil. Now this is a good vitamin E oil. It's not fake. It's real. Like, it's so thick, and you know it's real because it's thick. To moisturize it in, because I'm a little ashy, I don't put no other oils on my face because my face is very oily. So it's so thick, and I'll just dab it like this. One little dab that's on my finger, and I'm gonna apply here, 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 and then I'll go in circle motions and just apply it. Now here my baby girl crying, so on that note I have to go. And Talijah wanted to say hi because she was fussing. So she just wanted to say hi. Say hi, Talijah. Yeah, baby girl just wanted to say hi. Say, I didn't want nothing but my mommy because I woke up from my quick nap. Wash. Wash. Say bye-bye. Photo, I needed to clean up over my eye. So instead, I just made a wing out of it instead of going in with a Q-tip and cleaning. I did clean up under here with a Q-tip. However, I did put a wing on both sides instead of cleaning up. If you can see. So, if you don't want to clean and you have time to just add a slight little wing, I use Revlon Color Stay Liquid Eye Pen is what I use, and that's it. This is my complete look.